Friends, Windows 10 is the most popular operating system all over the world. I will discuss some time-saving tricks of Windows 10 in this video. Let's talk about the slide to shutdown trick. To do that, first we need to right-click, then New and Shortcut. We need to paste a command. You will find the command in the description box. Then Next and finally Finish, and you will get a shortcut on the desktop. Just double-click it and slide the PC or laptop to shut down, and to customize it, we need to go to the properties and change the icon button. You can do the customization as per your choice. You can select any logo which you like, and there it is. Now you can enjoy it. I will not shut down now. Let's go to the next trick. Before doing that, if you are new in our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. So the next trick is snapshot and screen recorder, which was not available before in Windows 10, but in Windows 10 now you can get the facility for free. To get the snapshot, Windows button plus Shift button and then S, and you will get a pop-up window. You can select any shape you want. Now if I want this part to snap, to do that I need to just drag the cursor. After that, in the notification you will get the snapshot, and you can customize as per your need. Even you can do paint or crop. Let's talk about the screen recorder. In that case, Windows button plus G, and we will get a pop-up window where we will get plenty number of information. You can check the performance of your PC also, and you can get so many options also. You can take the audio also, and in the same window you can get the screen capturing options also. You can get a whole screen screenshot, and you can record the screen also without any third-party application. You can see the capturing has already been started. It will automatically capture the total screen. And finally, let's talk about the last trick of Windows 10, that is voice typing. There are several tricks. Make sure you tune our channel so that you get the many tricks like that. To do the voice typing, we can open any text document, or you can open Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel also. To do that, we need to just press the Windows button plus H button, and you can see there is a new pop-up window, and automatically whatever you are speaking, it will type. You can do the same thing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, even Chrome also. So guys, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share the video with your beloved people.